Annyeonghaseyo, Angeline.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so today is your birthday. How old are you?
12.
12. You're 12. So nagluto kay pansit inday.
Tapos nang ni mama, marag magluto siya.
Magluto pa siya og pansit. Unsa ray gihanda nimo da?
Kanang ipalit si mama o kanang cake o spaghetti o baboy na.
Okay, so nakadaghang gi-invite. Sige. So I'm here to deliver para sa imuhang birthday party together sa imong mga gi-invite ha. Okay. So I'm here to deliver your cake. Okay, big size, and 10 box of pizza, and you also have 3 chocks to go. Okay, this kursi Inday. Okay na. And that is all from We Parang Nim.
May parang nim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, mag birthday party mo ha. Okay, happy birthday.
Thank you kaya.
Bye bye. Annyeonghaseyo, pretty girl.
Annyeonghaseyo to Kuya Rex.
Asa mo ka badong?
Agila.
Sa Agila. Magligo na po ng swimming pool.
Yes.
Okay, i-invite ka ni?
Uncle Dictionary.
Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your 2 chooks to go for you. Okay, and that is from Kim Sarangnim.
Uncle Kim Sarangnim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida. Take care always and God bless you.
Okay, amping nito Inday ha. Dili mo to salam. Bye-bye. Annyeonghaseyo Samantha.
Annyeonghaseyo kuya.
Okay, asa man ka padong?
Nakaw palit ng tambal.
Magpalit mong tambal si mong mama karon. Okay. So, I'm here to deliver your 2,000 pesos for your medical expenses ha. Ihatag na si mong mama para si mong mama mo kupot ha. Okay. And that is from Imsong Wanim.
Imsong Wanim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Okay, amping mo Inday ha. Bye-bye.
Annyeonghaseyo. Mao din ang among napalit, lechon manok, chooks to go. Mao ni siya. Tulo ka buok. Then nagpalit sad kog Sprite. Then mangga ug melon. Ay mangaon na dai mi. Hani unsa dai maingon gani nimo hani sa naghatag ani hani?
Si Galaxy, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Thank you so much sa gihatag. Naana pud mi masud-an. Then napoy prutas, mao ni mangga ug melon ang among kuan. Then nagpalit sad kog duha ka Sprite. Mao din ni. Sino kauna? Pangano? Kauna. Sige na lab. Sige na lab ka na lab.
Kita sa Mitiloy.
Mao din ni ang papa. Salamat.
Thank you. Di man ko kabalo.
Thank you.
Oh, thank you sa mga kuan nadawat na mong sudan in taon. Kayo
Ay,
kami lang
pasig-
ani di gyud na mo ni maapas ni ngon ani nga presyo tulo dayon taon ni buok.
Kuha na kuha kay masalipod na sa nagkaon.
Hanggang salamat. Thank you.
Annyeonghaseyo, Honey and Mom of Honey. Okay, so Honey is already healed na no, so you don't have any chicken pox, right? And no more cough, no more fever, no more colds. So since Honey is feeling better now and already been back to the study room, so Kim Yong Sunim has a message on you, Mom. So thank you for taking care of Honey and take care of Honey still. Okay, and this is from Kim Yong Sunim 2000.
Kim Yung Sunim, annyeonghaseyo, kamsahamnida.
Kamsahamnida.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Elmer John Deacon. I'm 9 years old. Manayon and I'm from grade 4 Tamban. I am 10 years old and I thank you.